We're delighted that our campuses will welcome more students and staff back for the summer term. It feels like a long time since we have been able to meet each other in person, and I hope that this will be the beginning of our gradual return to a more normal way of working. The past year has been difficult for us all, but managing the coronavirus context and keeping our community safe has always been our priority. In line with Welsh Government guidelines, our blended learning approach, combining on-campus and online learning, will resume in a gradual way over the next few weeks for the majority of our students. Your institute will inform you of when your in-person teaching will resume, so please remember to check your emails regularly so that you can plan your return to campus accordingly. I'm very grateful to you all for the way in which you have worked with us to ensure the safety of our community. It has been a genuine team effort which has ensured that we have minimised the risk of spreading the coronavirus. So much has been achieved, and whilst the coronavirus continues to affect our lives, even in the heart of Ceredigion, we can look confidently to the future. As more people attend our campuses, it will be equally important that we all continue to keep to the rules here in Wales to ensure that we can maintain and increase our presence on our campuses over the coming months and as we look to the new academic year in September. As you know, our safety measures include access to regular testing, wearing face coverings, physical distancing and hand hygiene. Our COVID dashboard available on the hub tile has a range of resources to assist you, and you can also access the latest information, including forms to book your tests. Remember too that our student services team is here to support you. I look forward to welcoming you to the campus in due course. In the meantime, keep yourself and your family and friends safe.